Say hi to them? No? Okay, thank you. Bye. Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to do a Pisces look. In case you're interested about the order, you can see it here. I know I'm not going by the proper timeline. It's because I asked you guys on my Instagram to vote between the two signs, which one you prefer more, and by the percentage of the votes, I put the highest percentage, of course, as the first one, Pisces, and then like the rest. That's enough of talking. Let's just jump right in. I don't know why, I don't stop. This video doesn't matter. I did the two sides, the center and the right side, and I will have to wait for the left one because whenever I move it and I'm trying to fix these ones to not stand too high, these guys are moving, so I will just wait now until they dry and then I will go for this one until I'm just gonna draw the rest of the look. So we are outside now, the balcony, and we are going to spray paint these beauties. Here is my little assistant as well, you guys can see. So yeah, a bit of spring. Why is it not working? I should read instructions first. So we have to remove this guy, then this little plastic here. Come on. Okay, hold on, it's with one hand, it's a bit difficult. And then I need to shake it for 3 minutes. And from 25 centimeter, I need to spray. Oh my god. Oh, look, it's so pretty. This is day 4 or 5. I don't even know anymore. Anyway, now we're just gonna finish the crown. I mean the headpiece. I have some of these colorful little pearls. I have the sign. I broke it, but I'm gonna fix that one as well. I want to put some of these little rhinestones all around somewhere. I still didn't figure out how, but yeah, we will set up that one. And we have our lovely little glue. So now that we are done with the drawings, I will have to color them, eventually cut them out. And somehow this is also gonna be a part of the makeup. So I have all this makeup here. And we're gonna use it to color these little fishtails, if it makes sense. And I will come back to you guys as soon as I'm done with it. And here you go, now I colored all of them. It's been a day, so they completely dried. Now I'm just gonna cut them out. And I'll be right back. Just another 159,000 to go. Honestly, low-key, I already want to put the lenses inside. These are lenses from TTDI. So if you guys can see it, which side is this one? This is the left side. It's gone. Come back. Let's try again. It's a really natural look already. Nice and natural fluffy brows. And now that I do not have any brows at the end, we have to pretend we do. I like this one more, I think, than this one. Oh, Madonna, she's ugly. I don't want to bring eyeshadow base completely down because I want to have like a negative space on my eyelid and just like do kind of like a circle and do with the eyeshadow around it. Once I'm done with it, it will all make sense. I promise it will all make sense in a bit. my dry ass skin. Blend the harsh edges. I was trying to avoid my eyelid and I just bust through of it. Whatever. I just want to finish my eye area, so then when I'm using the eyeshadow, because I'm a pig when I'm doing it, then if I have some fallout, I still can fix it, and then we're gonna finish up my face. But yeah, for me it's always first the eye and then the face, because I'm a pig and I'm doing a mess. Just want to blend out some blue and green colors. Just gonna carve out the eyelid part with some Vaseline, a nice circle shape, and now we're just gonna go with the eyeliner around. Oh, cannot breathe now. So I think I'm just gonna finish the other eye as well off camera, and then we start decorating. So now that we are done with the other eye as well, we're gonna start to decorate. I have ideas to use these little shells, some gold, and some more gold, and the decorations I was cutting out. So I'm so nervous. Here, why not? And now I'm just gonna stay like this forever. I already love it. I'm gonna put up all the decorations and I will be right back. So we have all the decorations on my face. Oh no, yui. So still missing two of these little ones. Should come from the side. That's what I wanted to do, somewhere like this. But I have to make the body of the fish first. Should be fine. Ooh, I think now I'm just gonna add the rest of this little deco pieces on my chest finish. And then really I want to have like another fish swimming upwards, a blue one, because it's Pisces are two fishes, and add some more like decorations, for example my little purse, some gold, and I want to use the same liner I was doing the corals around my eyes, so the look is kind of more together, if that makes sense. But yeah, now I will put the rest of the decoration. It's up. Now I have to finish the fish. just gonna put some little shells around here. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. I will add some decorations around both eyes. I will pop up the lashes. I will finish this whole look. I will be right back. And then I'm curious how is it gonna turn out with the crown and my hair out. But it's gonna take a while for me. It's going to be 1 second for you. I'm back. I added some glitters and rhinestones, as you can see. I'm gonna use some lashes, and for the lips, I was thinking to do this ombre lips, but when it's like colored from the middle and it's getting less and less coming outward. Oh, she's alive! And now, the finishing touches, the moment you've been waiting for, all of you've been waiting for. I cannot speak. I cannot speak. I do. What do you guys think? I'm a very big fish. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you like it. I love it. I have to be honest, I really love it. Like I think it's turned out even better than it was in my head. I don't know. The headpiece is the very first one. Meanwhile, I already broke down one more rhinestone, but I wouldn't really, you know, like I'm just destroying things. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next one. Bye!